Good Friday mga ka-faith. Welcome to our Friday devotion. Alam mo ba, si Jesus ay hindi lang dumating para bigyan ka ng buhay, kundi buhay na puspos ng purpose, blessing at joy. Sabi niya sa John chapter 10 verse 10, I have come that they may have life and have it more abundantly. So today pag-usapan natin how to walk in abundance. Una, worship God in every season. Abundance starts with worship. Hindi lang kapag okay ang lahat, kundi kahit sa gitna ng bagyo. Parang halaman, kailangan ng araw at ulan para lumago. Ganon din tayo, lumalago tayo sa pagsamba. And when you worship, your heart opens to see God's hand. Next, acknowledge His blessings daily. Minsan kasi nakikita lang natin ang kulang, pero kung bibilangin mo, napakaraming biyaya. Kaya bago ka matulog o magising, say, thank you, Lord. Gratitude prepares your heart to obey. And then, live in obedience to His word. Ang tunay na abundance ay nasa pagsunod. Parang GPS, kapag sinusunod mo ang direksyon, makakarating ka sa tamang daan. And when you obey, you'll have strength to keep walking. And lastly, keep walking in faith. Kahit hindi mo pa kita ang ending, magtiwala ka kasi habang lumalakad ka, si Lord ang gumagawa ng daan. And small steps of faith lead to big breakthroughs. So remember, worship, acknowledge, live, and keep walking. Yan ang secret sa walking in abundance. So start today, worship God, thank Him, obey His word, and walk by faith. Ito po yung memory verse natin ngayon. John 10:10. I have come that they may have life and have it more abundantly. Kung na-bless ka, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And this is Pastor Francis reminding you, walk in faith, live in fullness, and experience God's abundance. God bless. Shalom.